Ever wondered why you see the illusion of water on a very hot sunny day? It is actually the reflection of the clear blue sky, which seems to look like water. This concept is known as total internal reflection. To understand this, we first need to understand the concept of refraction of light. Light bends when traveling in different mediums. It slows down in an optically denser medium, and it speeds up in an optically less dense medium. Light from optically denser medium would refract away from the normal when it moves to a less optically dense medium. The bigger and bigger the incident angle gets, the bigger the refracted angle will be. If the angle of incidence exceeds a certain angle, which is called the critical angle, something amazing happens. The light is no longer refracted outwards, but rather it reflects back into the denser medium. Remember, this can only happen when light travels from a denser medium to a less dense medium. This is where the name total internal reflection comes from. The light is totally internally reflected. This idea of light guiding by total internal reflection was demonstrated in 1841 by Daniel Colladin at the Academy of Geneva. This is his original setup. He provided the right illumination, focusing the light through a lens at the end of the tube and onto the water jet emerging from the hole on the other side. Total internal reflection trapped light rays inside the falling water as long as the surface remained smooth. This is exactly what you see in fiber optics nowadays. So how does total internal reflection happen in a mirage? The land heats up during noontime. This causes the air above it to become hot. We have different layers of air, with the top being the coldest and the layers below it becoming warmer and warmer and warmer. Light rays from the sky travels from a denser medium to a less dense medium, so light refracts away from the normal. It continuously refracts until the angle of incidence reaches an angle exceeding the critical angle, and thus the light would reflect back. So what seems like water that you see is actually the image of the sky laid on the road. So thanks to total internal reflection, we use fiber optics to send data across the globe faster than we could have done before. Well, for us, seeing it in action is simply looking at the amazing illusion effect of a mirage.